Alrighty, there's the bucket. It is a big bucket, a very big bucket, with lots of chains, lots of rocks. Just to give you an idea how big guys will go around the inside here. They got the history and everything there. Nice park. You can't smell the smells of the flowers that are right over there and stuff. It smells so good here right now, and everything's so green. Yeah, there you go. That's a big bucket. You could put a couple pickups in there. I know we could put about 20 motorcycles in there. But hey, nice park. They said you got camping, or not camping, but picnic areas in the shade stuff. Beautiful place. Bathrooms here. Nice concrete parking for motorcycles, so you ain't parking in the asphalt. There's a customer of Allie, Josh. He brought his Pan American out for a ride today. He met me down here to have lunch with me and go ride back with me. So, all right, we're gonna get on the road and head back. But yeah, that's the Big Muskie. If you're looking for somewhere to ride, remember Project Ride More. Stop by the shop and sign up. Come down and see it. Have a good one.